Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are having a blessed and awesome day. I'm taking a little stroll in my neighborhood to take in this beautiful beginning of a new day. The sun is just rising, taking in this sun, taking in this prana, taking in this energy. I ended up just doing a Joe Dispenza meditation. And last night I had some discomfort, let's just say, of sleeping. It's a struggle. Struggle's real, and I'm very fortunate to have my sister spend the night to help me out and to guide me. And I think we all need to have people in our lives to help each other out, to guide each other. I know that what I'm going through, it will definitely in the future, or as I see it right now, is inspiring others to let go of your worry, let go of all the self-doubt, let go of the things that are stopping you, and begin to look at the light and begin to look at yourself as a powerful being, because that's how I'm beginning to look at things now, because of where I was focusing so much on all the things that were going on in my life, and didn't realize that look at how beautiful it is. Like, I'm hearing the birds chirping, I'm seeing this sunrise, there's some clouds in the sky, and it's kind of beautiful every time you see that. And when I started walking, and I was walking by some grassy areas, it kind of reminded me of nostalgia of when I was a kid, walking in our neighborhood in the morning, playing in the morning, being able to start your day, and it was fun. And as a kid, you had no worries. You had things that didn't bother you. And I think what we tend to do is we always tend to let these worries bother us, and it affects us. It affects our health. It affects us mentally, and it affects us physically. So I want to just leave you with this: is whatever you're going through, and I know how difficult it could possibly be because I've been going through that shit, that there's going to be another brighter day in your future. Because when you look at life is a duality. You have your dark, and then you have the as well as you have the light, and when you realize that we're all bright lights, except for what's happening is we're letting all these worries, we're letting all these doubts, we're letting all these limited beliefs, we're letting physical elements, we're letting all these things in our life dim us. Whereas you are a bright light in this world, my friend. You guys have an awesome day. Be about it instead of talking about it, and namaste.